As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Cardano cost will hit $0.7 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $1 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano will ascend to $0.5 inside the extended period of 2029, $2 in 2031 and $0.5 in 2033. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.578. Today, Cardano exchanged at $44 at 11, so the cost diminished by 26% from the outset of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.75 and the year-to-year change plus 25%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 70%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.58 per 1 Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $0.98. In the last part, the cost would add $22 and close the year at $120, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $120 to $183, which is up 53%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $120, then take off to $125 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $131. That implies plus 197% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $0.83 to $293, which is plus 60%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $183, then take off to $0.94 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $205. It is about plus 365% from today. 415-204. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $1.579. Today, Cardano exchanged at $4653, so the cost diminished by 22% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.55 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 18%. In 2024, we hope to see $49 per 1 Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $72. In the last part, the cost would add $11 and close the year at $83, which is plus 78% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $183 to $116, which is up 40%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $83, then dip to $1.74 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.79. That implies plus 70% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $116 to $182, which is plus 57%. Cardano will begin to T31 at $116, then take off to $123 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $130. It is about plus 179% from today. Forza 1-2-4. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.6391, so the cost expanded by 7% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.93 and the year-to-year change plus 56%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 46%. In 2024, we hope to see $83 per 1 Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $121. In the final part, the cost would add $18 and close the year at $139, which is plus 117% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $139 to $196, which is up 41%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $139, then dip to $124 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $133. That implies plus 108% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $0.96 to $303, which is plus 55%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $196, then, at that point, take off to $2.08 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $2.20. It is about plus 244% from today. So 3152 Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $1.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.7021. So the cost expanded by 19% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.80, and the year-to-year change plus 201%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 153%. In 2024, we hope to see BONA 135 per 1 Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $234. In the final part, the cost would add $10 and close the year at $244, which is plus 243% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $244 to $388, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $244, then take off to $255 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $239. That implies plus 236% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $388 to $615, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $388, then take off to $411 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $434. It is about plus 509% from today. 301204. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.16737, so the cost expanded by 13% from the start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $161, and the year-to-year change plus 169%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 139%. In 2024, we hope to see 1121 per 1 Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $209. In the last part, the cost would add $09 and close the year at $218, which is plus 224% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $218 to $346, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $218, then take off to $218 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $214. That implies plus 218% from today.